One of the Australian crypto experts have actually predicted that Terra Classic is going to hit over 1,200%. Yes, Martin Richard believed that he have an accurate of predicting cryptocurrencies about 85% accurate in most of his predictions, and he said that Terra Classic might also hit 1,200%. And remember that when you take a look at Terra Classic right now, the current price, you discover that Luna, before this massive drop, have actually dropped a lot, and it means if Luna hit back at where it was before started dropping massively, it means Luna must have hit about 1,100 or 1,200%. So he is of the view that Terra Classic will hit back at that level it was, okay? Although at that level, people are still hoping for Terra Classic to rise. At that level, people are buying and investing on Terra Classic, hoping it was going to reach 1 penny, 1 cent, okay? But right now, he actually predicted that this coin is going to hit back at that level before other people that invested then might start thinking of making profits. So it simply means if I decide to invest just let me say $100, I might be able to earn about $1,200, and if I'm going for $10, I might be able to earn $120 once that happens. Okay, it depends on the level of investment you have, but remember, if you are investing in any crypto industry, in any crypto coins, if you invest in any financial industry, please remember to invest what you are very sure that you can afford to lose. But for me, Martin Richard, giving prediction for Terra Classic hitting about 1,200%. I think that it is a 50-50 thing, because if Terra Classic market cap was to be trading with over 700 or 800 million, and of course with a daily trading volume of over 100 million or 200 million constant trading volume, I would have believed what it said. But right now, every day Luna have been going down gradually, and before you know it, Terra Classic will even add more zeros. So I don't know what he actually checked or analysis he have to use to predict this, but I don't think this is going to be possible anytime from now. Even though that is going to be possible, then it should be in the next few, maybe next year or next 2 years. Okay, yes, even if next year, it's not going to be early next year. It might be happening maybe in the middle or by this time next year or in the next 2 years, because Luna need a lot of homework, okay, in order to bounce back. So for me, I think Martin Richard, well, I cannot say it because based on his past predictions, of course, 85% winning rate, and I think that for me, crypto industry, financial investment is something that we know. Whatever we're investing, you need to trade it well, okay? You need to do analysis, you need to research very well before you do any investment, before you go for an investment. Don't do prediction in financial industry, but trade what you see, okay? Analyze what you see and trade what you see. Please remember, this is money we are talking about. And please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.